So first discuss what is the advanced Excel. What is the advanced
Okay.
Excel? Advanced Excel uh, may be different features in the Excel. Yeah, another Excel called advanced Excel. No, Microsoft never mentioned anywhere that this is the advanced Excel, this is the basic Excel, this is the advanced feature, this is the basic feature. As per Microsoft, every feature will be same, not advanced or the basic. So why call the advanced Excel? Advanced Excel depending the our using method. I give the one example, you understand what is the advanced Excel. So I have just put the two value 20 and I have the 30. So copy the
Okay.
20 and paste over the 30. 30 replaced by 20. Just copy and paste. Control C and Control V.
Yes.
But we had used the paste special. When the right click on the our 30 and we use the paste special. In the paste special, we have the operation section one option, addition, subtraction, multiply and divide also. When we click the addition, now 20 and 30 will be calculate and 50 will be paste on the G2. So when you use the paste special and you select the our operation, just like we have select the multiply. So multiply 50 and 20. 50 multiply by 20 and result is the 1000 will be pasted here. So now you have understand when you the copy and paste and we have used the paste spatial operations, value will be calculated where the copy and where the paste both are the value will be calculated and result will be pasted. Okay,
Okay.
you have called this is the basic because you know how can you use the feature, you know how can you use the feature. But in the my advanced Excel classes we discuss the another thing. we dis- uh, First we have discussed about the percentage. So we have select here and I want to type the 20% here. So we have typed the 20 and percent symbol. When they press the enter, value type the 20%. But we have typed the 20 and after the pressing enter, now again select go to the home and we apply the percentage. So there is a 2000 percentage because in the Excel 1 equal to 100%. So you want to apply the percentage after the typing value, that time need to type in the decimal 0.20. 0.20. Now we have select and apply the percentage, got the percentage number in the percentage. So if that
No,
problem
I couldn't get you. Sir. No, no, one equal to okay, one equal to 100%. That I got it actually. So 2000. What you
Oh,
said is 20% of 20.
yeah, I once again repeat. I tell you, if you want to type the 20% in the A1, need to 20 and percent symbol, right?
Yeah.
If you have typed the 20 anywhere, press the enter, and after that you select the data and apply the percentage symbol. So result will be 2000 percentage. Why? In the Excel, 1 equal to 100%. So
Okay.
20, if you have typed the 20, it means 20 multiplied by 100, 2000
Hmm.
percentage.
Okay.
So you want to apply the percentage symbol after the type your data. That time you have need to type data in the decimal percentage. In the decimal 0.20,
Okay.
and when you apply the percentage symbol 0.20 multiplied by 100, you got the 20%.
Okay.
Right? It's clear?
Okay.
Okay, so this is the percentage in the because when you want to calculate the percentage, I want to calculate the percentage like 50%. You have typed the 50%, but this is not a 50%. Actually, this is the 0.50. When you apply the 50%, your data will show the 50%. That time we have just multiplied between 500 to 50%. But in the mathematics, divide by 100 also. But in the Excel, not a divide by 100 also. Right?
Okay.
So problem is that this is not a problem. Problem is that my colleague send me the data. My colleague give the heading as a percentage and give the data in the send the data in the number form like that. We have applied the RAND between formula. You know it. So this is the number. As per my colleague, this is the percentage. But as per Excel, this is the 24, not a 24%, right? So when you want to calculate 20%, 24% of the 500, so we just the multiply because 24 is the percent format. But if you just type the
Okay.
20% in the number format, that time you have the multiply and change the formula divide by 100, right sir?
Okay. Everything should be divided by 100.
Yeah, but problem is that when you use this data when I use the data, here is the no I have formula, this formula divided by 100. My formula depending of this because we have received the multiple person from the multiple person data and many persons send the data in the percentage form. But some people send me the data in the this type. So I don't want to change my formula. I want to change this number to percentage before the copy and paste my data is, right?
Okay.
So how can change? So we have two way. First, we have double click here and apply the percentage form. Double click here,
Okay.
apply the percentage form. But this is the big issue.
Okay.
If you have data more than 10,000 and 1 lakh, 2 lakh data, that time take the more longer time, not a more time, longer time in the day, 2 day, 3 day. Second,
Okay.
second thing, we have convert this number to decimal places, just like 0.24. Then we have applied the percentage form, right? But this
Yeah.
problem is same. How can convert? If you have convert the manually, maybe take the longer time and maybe have the error, mistake. It's like human
Yes.
mistake. You want to type
Yeah.
the in 8.98 and by mistake we have typed the 9. This is the error, human error. So not 100% accurate. So I want to 100% accuracy and quick report. So we have used this feature, right? How can you use?
Okay.
We have typed the 100 and on one cell, copy the 100, select our data, right click, paste spatial, and we have just divide. So I have divide every number 2 by 100, and after that we receive the decimal with one click. Okay,
Okay.
and we have applied the formula. So now you have compared, we have same feature, we discussed the C2 one. How can you use the paste spatial operations, right? And
Okay.
also we have discussed this feature in the advanced section. But here is the difference is we have created the one real time problem, and it's the big problem. So you have think how can do it, and when you give the solutions, you have shocks and surprise, and you have you have remember this way how can convert, how can use of the paste spatial operations. But in the sheet 1 you have ignored it. This is the basic, this is the not for usable, right sir?
Okay. So now this is to just add the percentage symbol to all the cells actually in an
Yeah,
easy way by using paste special. Am I right?
not a percentage symbol, we have convert the number to percentage because you got the percentage symbol when you have
Correct.
convert in the general. This is 0.24, not a 24, right?
Okay.
So in Excel, Excel store the data, every data in the number, every numeric data in the also number, right, sir?
Okay.
So this is the advanced Excel. This is the advanced Excel. So in the my class, we have discussed the every topic with your relate to your official requirement, because I have worked the more than 70 year in the Excel and 14 companies, and I also trained to the more than 1 lakh students, the working professionals, not a student, because we have not to give the training for the fresher. Our
Okay.
criteria, you have the 2 year experience, then you are eligible for my classes, because I
Okay.
have give the classes you related to office. How can automate your report? So after my class, you
Okay.
have eligible to create the automated your report. How what type of report? We have give the one report. We have just make the create today. So this is the automated report. So my data is here. This is the my data,
Oh,
and this is my
okay.
report.
Yeah, that's your data.
And this is the report, and this report created by formula and pivot also. And when you have, I want to just give the 2021, just we have select the select here month, my data will be changed. I select the hours categories, subcategory, my data will be changed. And when you I have to update my data, my pivot, my report also updated. So you have eligible to create this type of report easily, not effortively, easily.
Okay.
Okay. So what is cover this course? The first is the advanced, called the advanced Excel for formula. Advanced Excel with formula. Course name is the advanced Excel with formula, and course duration is the around 45 to 55 hours. Take
Okay.
around take around 2 months. Duration will be average, maybe increase and decrease depending your learning style, not a fix. This is the average depending on
Okay.
learning style, right?
Okay. Understood.
Okay. And in the course we have covered the every feature in the your menus, Excel menus, more than 300 formula, advanced formula, array formula, and also report automations, how can automate reports. So every details including your inbuilt options, every inbuilt option we have discussed in this course. And every day you have the 40 to 45 minute class, right?
Okay.
And class will be depending also your questions and my speed.
Okay.
So 40 to 45 minutes is not fixed, also 45 to 45 hour is also not a fix. It depending the hour and your learning style. You have asked
Okay.
a lot of questions every day, so your duration will be increased. You have understand easily, not had any questions, your duration will be decreased. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And every day you have received the recording. I have record the every class every day. You have received the every day your class, your practice
Okay.
file, homework, and every weekends we give the one project,
Okay.
project research, right? And during the
Okay.
practice you have got the, any problem, you have call me. I am available on call and WhatsApp and also phone call every time for you, for helping.
Okay. Okay.
After the course you got the certifications, and after the also classes we have, you get the my support. After 6 months you have stopped any problem, dial me number and discuss with me. Okay, I have
Okay.
you
You give a
every,
certification also. That's what you said.
yeah, anytime. I have
Okay.
welcome the question every time, because your question is my learning opportunity.
Okay.
So we have every time welcome your questions, right, sir?
Okay. Understood. Sir, Sujit sir, you said you are giving a certificate also for the course.
Yeah, right,
Okay. Understood.
right, sir. So this is advanced
Okay.
Excel, and what topic will cover? We have details. We send you the WhatsApp. Check the WhatsApp. right?
Okay.
And from tomorrow you have joined the sharp 6 because today we have 25 minutes late.
Correct.
So please join
Correct. By the
because
time I joined, then
because we have back to back batch. 6:40 is the another batch. So
okay.
we have finished the class 6:30, around 6:30. 6:40, sorry, 6:40 every day 6:40. So we have started the sixth
Okay.
class on the sharp 6, and we have finished the class around 6:40 every day.
Okay. Okay.
And if you have also joined the class on Saturday Sunday, but not every Saturday Sunday, when we discuss on the report automation, because report automation takes a long time. So report automation class in the Saturday and Sunday.
Okay.